good morning to everyone and welcome back to the online classes. Now we'll start writing question 4, add or subtract. So now we will be adding the rupees over here. So the rules do not change, it will remain as it is. So for the first question, like for example rupees 17.05, rupees 13.50 and rupees 40.75. So now we'll be adding these three numbers. So first we will write rupees over here, and then we'll write paise over here, and then we'll write 17 and 05, 13 and 50 and 40 and 75. And now we will start with the addition. So 5 plus 0 is 5 and 5 plus 5 is 10. So 0 stays down and 1 goes up. As you all know, the rule remains the same. So 5 plus 1 is 6 and 6 plus 7 is 13. So again, 3 stays down and 1 goes up. So see, the carrying will go on as it is. We don't have to look at the decimals and get confused. We will do the simple addition like how we usually do. So we are not looking at the decimals over here. Immediately after this 13, so 3 stays down, 1 goes up. Now 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11. So 1 stays down and 1 goes up. So 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. So our final answer is rupees 71.30 paise. Similarly, for the second question, rupees 95.55 plus rupees 14.70 plus rupees 85.65. So now first we'll write rupees and paise. 95.55, 14.70, 85.65. 5 plus 0 is 5, and then 5 plus 5 is 10. So 0 stays down, 1 goes up. So now 5 plus 1 is 6. So 6 plus 7 is 13, 13 plus 6 is 19. So 9 stays down and 1 goes up. So here again 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15. So again 5 stays down and 1 goes up. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11, 11 plus 8 is 19, so 195.90 is the answer. Now for the third question, rupees 145.90, rupees 55.50 and rupees 140.80. So now here again, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 5 is 5, so we are writing 5 over here. Then 9 plus 5, so 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. And 14 plus 8, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 and 22. So 2 stays down and 2 goes up. So 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12. Again 2 stays down, 1 goes up. Then 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 4 is 14. So 4 stays down, 1 goes up, 1, 2 and 3. So rupees 342.25. Now let's move on to the fourth question. 14.40, rupees 4.30 and rupees 13.95. So here again 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 5 is 5. Now 4 plus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 9 is 16. 1 goes up. 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 3, 10, 11, 12. So 12 and 1, 2, 3. So rupees 32.65 is the answer. Now let's move on to the fifth question. Now rupees 36.50 plus 22.45 plus 12.75. Rupees and paise, 36.50, 22.45 and 12.75. 0 plus 5 is 5, 5 plus 5 is 10, 0 stays down, 1 goes up. Now 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 7 is 17. Now 6 plus 1 is 7, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1 stays down and 1 goes up. 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6 and plus 1 is 7. So our answer is 71.70. Now the sixth question. 17.05 plus 13.50 plus 4.50. So again rupees and paise. 17.05, 13.50, 4.50. 5 plus 0 is 5. Again, this is 5. Now 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 0 stays down. 1 goes up. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 3, 9, 10, 11. 11 plus 4 is 15. And 1 goes up. Now 1, 2 and 3. So the answer is 35.05. Now let's move on to the seventh question. 175.90 plus 255.50 plus 190.80. So rupees and paise. 175.90, 255.50, 190.80. 0, 0, 0 over here. Then 9 plus 15 is 9 plus 5 is 14, and 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 and 22. So 2 stays down and 2 goes up. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. Again, now 7 plus 1 is 8. So 8. 8 plus 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And 13 plus 9 is 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So again 2 stays down and 2 goes up, and then 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 622.20. Now let's move on to the eighth question. 296.30 plus 148.75. As it is, you have to write rupees and paise, and then you have to write the numbers. Then 0 plus 5 is 5, 7 plus 3 is 10, 0 stays down, 1 goes up. Then 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 1 is 7, 2 is 14, 15, 5 over here, and 1 stays down. 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 4 is 14, so 4 stays down, 1 goes up. 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. So 445.05 is the answer. Now let's move on to the ninth question. Now 5.75 plus 18.35 plus 95.45. So rupees and paise. So 5.75, 18.35 and 95.45. So 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15. Now 7 plus 3 is 4 is 14 plus 5 is 15. So 5 stays down and 1 goes up. Then 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 8, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 plus 5 is 19. So 9 stays down and 1 goes up. And 9, 10 and 11. So 119.55 is the answer. Now let's move on to the 10th question. 380.70 plus 17.95 plus 5.50. So again, rupees and paise, we are writing the numbers. 0 plus 5 is 5, 5 plus 0 is 5 again. And 7 plus 9. 9 plus 7 is 16, 16 plus 5 is 21, 1 stays down, 2 goes up, 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 5 is 14, so 4 stays down, 1 goes up, 8, 9 and 10, 10 and 3 plus 1 is 4. So 404.15 is the answer. Then the next question, rupees 378.40 plus 135.75. So here we'll write rupees and paise, and we will write 378.40 and 135.75. Addition sign. 0 plus 5 is 5. 4 plus 7, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1 stays down and 1 goes up. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. 14, 7 plus 3 is 10, plus 1 is 11. 11 and 1 stays down and 1 goes up. 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. So 514.15. Now the last question, rupees and paise. Okay, now 98.10, 137.58 and 486.89. So 8 ones 8 to 16, 17. 7 stays down, 1 goes up. 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 plus 8 is 15. So 5 stays down and 1 goes up. 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 7 is 16, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 22. Then 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 again. Then 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7. So 722.57 is the answer.